Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. So this time I came up with a video of painting. So this is a really simple painting. I used a grid technique to form the outlining. Actually, to people who don't know whose painting it is a character of BTS Jin in Chaco called as Juan, and I fell in love with the character when I saw this drawing, and I wanted to draw it, paint it for a while, but stupid exams came in the middle. So now I have kept with this process how I have painted it, and I have skipped many parts. That means I have used shortcuts to make this video so that you can watch the complete video. It's a short video. So the paints I'm using are of Dome's brand. They are of only just 15 rupees, 15 rupees. So you can use these paints to learn drawing, and they are quite good. And I was not able to come up with certain textures of the paints, so I have formed my new textures. You can see the pink color in the reference is of gives a different texture to you, but I have formed another texture, so it's up to you. But in this you will understand that the methods I use are how I use my brush strokes to paint the drawing, and you can enjoy the video, guys. And if you like my channel, please subscribe it and share with your friends. I really need your help, guys.